I don't want. I should finish now.
Don't like?
You like it?
Привет, как дела? Надеюсь, у вас все отлично.
Nah, itu artinya halo semua, apa kabar? Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya. Nah, kita hari ini mau coba durian. Julie belum pernah coba, you haven't tried it yet, right?
No, never.
Okay, so are you ready to try it?
Yes, for sure. Gonna be my first time.
Because if you're Indonesia, you must try the durian. Kan, kalau dia lagi di Indonesia, pasti harus coba ya kalau durian ini. Oke? Tapi sebelum nonton video ini, jangan lupa subscribe dan loncengnya juga ya.
Mbatina Bules Adventure.
Nah, ini Julie, teman saya dari Rusia, sudah tinggal di Jakarta selama 3 bulan ini. Dan saya mau introduce dia ke makanan-makanan Indonesia yang tradisional banget dan buah-buahan seperti durian hari ini. Tapi sebelum mulai, saya mau coba tanya Julie, social media dia apa sih? So what's your Instagram, Julie?
Julie Moore, follow.
Follow ya, nanti kita taruh di sini di bawah ya. Okay. So Julie, have you ever tried durian before?
Not yet, never before tried.
Jadi
But I
dia
hear a
belum
lot.
pernah coba, tapi pernah dengar. What did you hear?
That it smells very weird.
Weird. Jadi dia cuma pernah
Special.
dengar kalau durian ini baunya sangat unik.
What?
Unique, very unique.
Unique.
Ya. So can you feel it now? You wanna touch it before? Coba. It's very sharp ya.
Yeah,
Sangat tajam durian ini kulitnya.
but now I cannot feel smell.
You cannot feel smell?
A little bit, but not something bad.
Oh, jadi dia katanya baunya nggak terlalu aneh ya. Kalau ya aku tahu nggak, paling banyak orang yang suka durian itu adalah orang Rusia. Paling banyak. I just told my subscribers that like most people that like durian that are bule, they're all from Russia and they enjoy. Let's try to open it ya.
Yeah.
Oke, jadi kita mau mulai ini buka. Soalnya agak susah ya buka durian ini. Let's see.
So how we need to open it?
So, pas beli tadi aku minta cuman dikasih gitu-gitu garis pakai pisau biar nggak terlalu susah bukanya. Try to see. I think you should put it like this. And you see, when we
Yeah.
buy it, I already asked to help. So hard. Sakit banget tangannya, guys. I think we should take out one by one. Ini.
Oh.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. It's a very hard surgery, this one.
I don't want us to eat him.
Kata Julie, ini duriannya nggak mau kita makan ya. Wait, I think we need to cut more. Sakit banget, guys. Woohoo! We did it!
Oh, now it smells.
Baru keluar baunya, kata Julie. It smells ya?
Yeah.
But because today it's your first time, kemarin kan pas Ana coba durian, aku nggak makan. Tapi hari ini biar aku support Julie, kali ini aku mau makan juga. So today to support you, I will eat too with you. I forgot how special this is. Jadi I need a reminder. Okay, so this one we eat by hand.
Okay.
So we use our right hand. And it's super creamy. You see the texture is cheesy, ya? Teksturnya kayak cheesy banget gitu. Okay. I think you can take the smaller one. Dia yang paling besar dia mau coba. Aku bilang penting ini yang lebih kecil dulu. Okay. So the way we eat durian is like this. Fuh. Ya, nggak kuat. Fuh.
You don't like?
You like it?
It's very
It's very wet. Jangan-jangan dia suka guys, ampun deh. You like it? She's a Russian, I told you you're Russian. Semua, enggak semua sih. Tapi paling banyak yang ketemu bule itu semua orang Rusia yang suka.
yeah.
What do you like? Oh my god.
This for taste is better than the smell.
You think? Katanya ininya baunya rasanya lebih enak dari baunya. Aku rasanya itu nggak kuat banget guys. Baunya udah biasa. I'm already used to the smell, but the taste for me is still so unique. Oh my god. It's good. Oh my god. Maaf ya guys, aku na subscriber tuh ada versi bule dua versi bule yang beda banget ya. Ih, amazing Julie. That's why I take the smallest one. I should finish now. Udah diambil harus habisin. So you really like it?
It's good.
More.
Why you don't like?
Kenapa kamu nggak suka katanya? I don't know, the taste it's so weird for me. Take new one. Oh, so many flies in it already.
They also want.
They also want, yeah.
I was thinking it's much worse.
Katanya ekspektasinya dia nggak enak banget. Kalau aku sih,
It's good. It's very good. I cannot explain how is it, what taste is it. But
ya
it's
katanya
very good.
nggak bisa bilang rasanya apa. It's very unique ya. Unik banget. Tapi itu dia udah kedua aku masih dada. Mau habisin pertama. Wah, amazing Julie. I told you. Guys, itu orang Rusia aneh juga ya. You're Russian, that's why I like you. Oh my god. I get goosebumps when I see you eating, like aku merinding pas lihat dia makan, ya ampun dah. So you really like it, ya?
Yeah.
Udah habis juga. Fuh.
You can leave all for me.
Yeah, please take it. Tapi yay. Food. Yeah. The choice that I want to eat again today. Now I remember the taste next time. Oke, jadi luar biasa Julie ini suka durian, kuat. Dia tinggal belajar bahasa Indonesia aja udah lebih orang Indonesia daripada saya. You wanna eat more?
I wish to eat all actually.
aku tanya doyan tuh lagi, katanya dia mau habisin semua. You know, they say that you cannot eat so much durian because if you eat so much you can get fever.
Fever?
Yeah, like don't eat one, like eat two parts, two slices, you know, but don't eat one at once. Katanya kan kata Katura kemarin pas kita bikin video durian, katanya dia pun makan sebanyak itu duriannya sampai dia demam. Dia bilang Julie jangan sampai habisin satu ya.
Very good.
Very good. Okay, but you know what I want to teach you? It's a secret actually. I learned it from another YouTuber also. That Katura ya, makasih ya advice-nya, secretnya. You feel this weird smell of durian, right? That in your mouth that like not many people like, right? So if you want to like just make the smell gone, you have some water there, right?
Yeah.
Aku udah siapin air putih buat saya karena aku tahu kalau saya pasti perlu air putih. Tapi tapi dia tuh baru minum kali ini. Oh no, don't drink like that. Sorry. Dan dia nggak boleh minum begitu karena aku punya rahasia itu. So you put water here, and they say if you drink from this, the smell from your mouth is gonna be gone.
So it's my glass.
And now drink from here.
It's really gone. It's really gone.
You see?
Yeah.
I need to, can you put for me too? Aku perlu juga soalnya baunya masih kuat banget. Thank you. Oh, I still have durian inside. Ya guys, rahasianya benar-benar it's working. Jadi rahasia itu kalau makan durian, habis itu kalau habis makan durian minum airnya dari kulit ini durian, katanya dan jujur udah hilang rasa durian dari mulut. Jadi kalau minum langsung dari sini rasanya hilang dari mulut. Amazing. Okay, so Julie, what is your opinion about this durian?
I was really think that it's not good because a lot of people told me weird things about this,
Okay.
and smell is so
Strong,
special,
yeah,
so special, but it's really really good. I didn't accept this.
Jadi dia udah pernah dengar dari orang kalau rasa durian ini sangat nggak enak dan baunya sangat spesial, tapi akhirnya dia makan banyak banget dan suka banget. You like it so much, ya?
I like it.
Amazing. Jadi Julie approve. Tam 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 tam. Okay, Julie check. Ini 5 hebat loh dia. Okay, so you're very cool, very Indonesian.
Becoming Indonesian.
Don't eat this inside of the house, ya, it might disturb people. Jadi aku bilang dia kalau dia nggak boleh makan durian di dalam rumah. You know, even in the hotel, if you go there, they have so many signs you cannot bring durian inside.
I saw.
You saw?
I saw
Jadi di
it.
hotel-hotel kalau lagi mau nginep di hotel ada banyak sign nggak boleh durian, not accepted. Okay, so I think we're done with the concept today, ya.
Yeah.
Oke, kalau suka video ini jangan lupa subscribe, like dan
Comment.
dan loncengnya juga ya. Oh iya, dan juga jangan lupa follow Instagramnya Julie sekali lagi. What's your Instagram?
Julie
again?
Moore.
Julie
Follow.
Moore, guys. Oke, terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye bye.